Yesterday in writing workshop, you organized your thoughts in a box and bullets format. Today in writing workshop, you're going to do the same thing, but instead of thinking about a way to describe your break, you're going to be thinking about either ice cream or your favorite dessert if you don't like ice cream. And you're going to organize your ideas in another box and bullets format, and it will look something like this. In your box, you're going to have your main idea, which is I love ice cream, or I love, and whatever your favorite dessert is. And then you're going to be thinking about 3 supporting reasons as to why you like ice cream or why you love your favorite dessert. So for example, one reason I love ice cream is because you can add different toppings. And notice that I wrote my bullet in a complete sentence. I restated my main idea, I used because, and I gave my reason. Now, when you are listing out your different reasons in your bullet form, you want to make sure that you leave space in between each bullet. So I'm going to add some space and then have my next bullet. Another reason I love ice cream is because there are so many flavors. Finally, I love ice cream because it's refreshing on a hot day. The next thing you are going to do is choose one of your reasons to elaborate on. I chose to elaborate or add more detail to my first bullet. So in between the space right here that I left, I'm going to elaborate on why I love ice cream because you can add different toppings. So for example, there's chocolate sprinkles, nuts, cherries, Oreos, and whipped cream that you can add to ice cream. So I gave more details about the different toppings. And again, I wrote this in a complete sentence, and I used the transition words, for example. So today in writing workshop, you've got your main idea or your box about ice cream or your favorite dessert. You've got 3 supporting reasons, and then you're going to elaborate on one of your reasons. The next and final thing that you are going to do today is turn to the next page in your writing journal, and you are going to turn your bullet that you elaborated on into a paragraph. And the way that you will do this is by looking at your bullet and your elaboration and putting it all together in a paragraph. So you can have this transition right here of one reason, because again, it's only one of your reasons. One reason that I love ice cream is that you can add different toppings. For example, there's chocolate sprinkles, nuts, cherries, Oreos, and whipped cream that you can add to ice cream. So again, I took what was in my organizer and I put it into a paragraph form. And again, you're only doing that for one of your bullets today, and it's the bullet that you chose to elaborate on. Now, if you have any questions, be sure to re-watch this video. And if you still have questions after re-watching, be sure to reach out to your teachers. Good luck!